Somebody said they don't like how the fronts poke in and the backs poke out. So today we're gonna change that. I got HO giving me a hand. Great Lord, that 5.0. About to get this bad boy up in the air. We're gonna put some 20s on the front. What we working with? 20s for your side. Nemos. Driver side. Once you get the wheel off, your wheel already off?
Yep.
Okay.
These go on the lugs that go under it?
These go... These...
The original lugs, right?
Yeah, they go on the original lugs. Somebody can hold the brake, or we're gonna have to put a brace in there.
I'll just hold the brake. There you go. Go ahead, you can do it now.
All right.
They shouldn't tighten it so much because I made the big boy decision to grab the hot brake, grab the hot rotor, and twist it. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
I wouldn't have did that.
Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. They didn't tighten up that much though, did they?
Yeah, they didn't.
It goes to show that what I did worked.
I agree. Yes, I'm sweating. It's hot outside.
Super hot.
So where we at? Yes, the tires turn. I'll go ahead and straighten the tire up real quick.
Oh. Good.
Yes, sir. Now that's nice. That's real nice. Hell yeah. What you think, man?
We're good. Gotta drop some on mine soon. After we get all the other dumb shit fixed on it.
Toothless will be next. My shout out to my folks. It's like I always say, go ahead on IG and give them a follow. Great Lord, that 5.0. I'll go ahead and link it in the description. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe. I get dirty and sweaty for y'all, man. It's worth a like. See y'all in the next video.
Look, no time to waste. I gotta grind a day. Gotta make mine a day. I got no time to waste. 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 I got no time to waste.